You know that nagging sense of disconnection with your partner, right? Ever thought there's a secret key that could unlock the bond you once shared? Stick with us, we promise it'll be worth your while. Tip number 1. Unveiling the secret of communication. Can the key to mending your relationship be as simple as refining your communication? Let's unlock the full potential of words and silence to rebuild your connection. You know how sometimes it feels like you and your partner are speaking different languages? You're not alone in this, it's a universal feeling. So what can you do about it? Firstly, practice active listening. Respond with empathy, not just a simple nod or a hum. Show your partner that you genuinely care about their thoughts and feelings. Don't be afraid to express your feelings. Be clear and open. Avoid blaming language and focus on how their actions impact you. Use phrases like, "I feel," rather than, "you always." And finally, keep distractions at bay when you're having a conversation. Your phone can wait, your favorite show can wait, but your relationship? That needs your attention right now. Tip number 2. Tapping into your ultimate desire. Is it possible your deepest desire holds the key to your relationship bliss? Stay tuned as we dig deep and align your heart's longing to a thriving relationship. It's essential for you to recognize and respect your desires, no matter how big or small. They're a crucial part of you and your happiness in a relationship. Secondly, you need to communicate your desires to your partner. Yes, it may feel a bit awkward initially, but it's way better than harboring unexpressed expectations, right? Remember, your partner isn't a mind reader. So, don't assume you know their desires. Ask, talk, and discuss. It's amazing how such open conversations can lead to profound mutual understanding and respect. Trust us, it's a game changer. Tip number 3. Beginner's Guide to Emotional Literacy. What if reading emotional cues could turn around your relationship? In this section, we'll unveil how understanding emotions can become your secret weapon. First off, start by noticing nonverbal cues. Body language speaks volumes, you know. Is your partner avoiding eye contact or crossing their arms? That could be a sign they're upset or uncomfortable. Secondly, pay attention to their tone of voice. You can often hear unspoken feelings, like frustration or excitement, in the way they speak. If their tone sounds tense, they might be dealing with something they're not ready to express in words yet. Lastly, don't forget the power of a simple, "How are you feeling?" It shows you're invested in their emotional well-being. Make it a point to encourage open and honest discussions about emotions. And voila, you'll be fluent in the language of emotions in no time. Tip number 4. Wisdom from the love gurus. Ever wondered what relationship experts have to say about love? We'll draw from the world's leading minds to strengthen your bond. First off, remember the 5-to-1 ratio? Esteemed psychologists suggest that for every negative interaction, you need 5 positive ones to maintain a happy relationship. That's right, it's time to ramp up the compliments and the little acts of love. Secondly, conflict is inevitable. According to experts, it's crucial to avoid the 4 horsemen: criticism, defensiveness, contempt, and stonewalling. So, next time an argument heats up, remember to communicate, not combat. Lastly, the best advice from all love gurus? Make time for each other, regularly. Be it a date night or just a quiet evening walk, remember to pause and connect amidst the chaos of life. Yes, it's that simple and that profound. Tip number 5. A new pathway to conflict resolution. Can a novel approach to disagreement transform your relationship? Let's explore an innovative pathway to resolve conflicts that redefine the dynamics of your partnership. First off, when a disagreement arises, avoid going on the defensive. Instead, try to understand your partner's perspective. A shift in viewpoint can often lead to a resolution faster than you'd think. Secondly, during an argument, use "I" statements instead of "you" accusations. Saying, "I felt hurt when," instead of "you did this," can help keep the conversation focused on the issue, not on blaming each other. Lastly, after an argument, make sure to have a cool-down period. Once the emotions settle, revisit the topic. You'll be amazed how a calm mind can bring clarity and help you find a mutually satisfying resolution. Remember, it's you and your partner versus the problem, not versus each other. Tip number 6. Embracing the modern love trends. How can new age relationship practices help you reconnect? Let's dive into the latest trends that promise to bring a breath of fresh air to your love life. Firstly, consider the concept of micro-dating. It's all about stealing little moments of connection amidst your everyday routines. A shared cup of coffee in the morning or a 5-minute dance-off while cooking dinner can work wonders. Secondly, how about trying mindful love? That's right, mindfulness isn't just for yoga. Paying attention to the present moment, appreciating your partner's presence and expressing gratitude can deepen your bond in incredible ways. Lastly, let's talk about digital detox. Try setting aside tech-free time to focus solely on each other. You'll be surprised at how this simple step can bring back undistracted, quality time into your relationship. So, ready to ride the wave of modern love trends? Tip number 7. The 30-day Relationship Revamp Plan. Ready for a 30-day relationship revamp plan? Starting today, set aside 10 minutes each day to express your gratitude for your partner. It could be something as simple as, "I appreciate your cooking," or, "I love how you made me laugh today." You'll be amazed at how these small acknowledgments can brighten your relationship. Next, commit to a weekly State of Our Union talk. No distractions, just honest, open conversation. In the final week, plan a special date that embodies all the love and understanding you've cultivated in the past 30 days. Tip number 8. Overcoming the fear of vulnerability. Can embracing vulnerability be the turning point in your relationship? Brace yourself as we delve into how opening up can bring you closer than ever before. First off, beware of the silent treatment. So, even when you're upset, choose to communicate rather than shut down. It's tough, but remember, you're tougher. Secondly, steer clear of unnecessary comparisons. Your relationship is unique, just like you and your partner. So, comparing it to others, especially the ones you see on social media, will only lead to dissatisfaction and discord. Lastly, avoid taking each other for granted. It's easy to overlook the everyday efforts your partner makes when you've been together for a while. Show your appreciation, often and sincerely. So, ready to sidestep these relationship traps? Let's go! Tip number 9. Discovering the hidden powers of empathy. Let's unravel the transformative power of understanding in redefining your relationship. It's important to be authentic. Embrace your quirks and let your true self shine. You'll be amazed at how attractive honesty and authenticity are to your partner. Next up, cultivate empathy. Show genuine interest in your partner's world, their feelings, thoughts, dreams, and fears. This emotional understanding can turn you into their ultimate confidant and increase your attraction quotient manifold. Lastly, keep the adventure alive. Shared experiences, especially the exciting and unexpected ones, can boost emotional attraction like nothing else. So, book that spontaneous weekend getaway or try that exotic cuisine together. Remember, emotional attraction isn't about grand gestures. It's about shared moments and heartfelt connections. Let's dive in, shall we? Tip number 10. Rekindling your desire for connection. What could reignite the spark and deepen your connection with your partner? Join us in this final section as we reveal the key to rekindle your desire for a meaningful bond. Creating a relationship vision can be your roadmap to a fulfilling love life. Start with a heartfelt conversation. What are your shared dreams? What values do you both hold dear? Pen these down. This becomes your relationship manifesto, your guiding light. Next, make your vision tangible. It could be a vision board with images representing your dreams or a shared journal filled with your aspirations. It's a beautiful, inspiring reminder of the love-filled future you're working towards. Finally, revisit and revise. As you both grow and evolve, so will your relationship vision. Keep it flexible, keep it real. So, ready to paint the canvas of your shared future? Let's get those brushes out. Check out the description below for more tips on love and relationships. Check out this playlist of the top 10 videos on relationship advice for women. And we'll see you in the next video. With love.